Hello extraordinaires, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for the item that I purchased over the past 4 weeks and the item that I've been using in the midst of my hiatus from this channel. So I've been using this Kiss Power File Nail to Go kit, and it's not as strong and I don't know, it's not as strong as I want it to be, so this will actually be the last time you guys would ever see this in my channel. So I just wanted to show you guys what I've been using for the time being. So this kit comes with 6 bits, and all the bits are made out of plastic, of course. So the item that I'm showing you now is the polishing disc. The one I showed you before that was the small medium grit disc. The two items I'm showing you right now is the detail cone and the small, I think it's the small pointy one, and that's the only one that I've used before, which is the cone shaped file, because it's the only one that's actually put a lot of force on my nail and actually took some product off. And because I stopped using this, it's been giving me lifting, and I would like my nails to last longer than 2 weeks. So this is the reason why I stopped using it, because all of these bits aren't as strong as I want them to be. The bit that I'm putting in now is the emery disc, and I've used this before, and of course it's not as strong as I want it to be, but I just wanted to really show you guys what the power really sounds like, because it's not that much voltage coming from that. And yeah, oh, it also comes with the what is it, a cuticle pusher. Yeah, so that's the only bit that actually gives nail dust or removes some sort of product from my nail. I also use the detailed cone shape file to go around my cuticles, to remove any extra debris or whatever that would interfere with the acrylic if I'm doing acrylic, or gel if I'm doing gel. And this of course doesn't really do much, but I try my best to push as much pressure onto it so that it can actually remove some product. That was just a tester to show you guys how I use it. This kit only takes 2 AAA batteries. It doesn't take AA. So make sure that you guys pick up the right kit. If you are beginner friendly and you want to start off with this, you can. It is totally okay. It's affordable. It's only $10 at your local beauty supply store. Not even beauty supply, but I mean, well, you can pick it up at beauty supply, but at any store that is available, it's usually $10. And here I am opening a package that I bought. I bought a electric pen shaped nail art drill and a bean color card, just for my nail polish. It comes with 2 sheets. But one thing I commend about Born Pretty store, they're really good with packaging. As you can see, look at how much they wrapped my item. I love it. I love it because anything could have went wrong with the package, being that my package is coming from Singapore and it's being shipped to the US. I loved how they packaged it, so that's a plus for Born Pretty store. At this point, I did not notice that the adapter was so different. It's not a US adapter, and I was so upset about it, but I'll just have to go down the block and buy a US adapter to attach to this one. This product is obviously from Singapore, so I didn't really see that information when I was buying the product. But yeah, this is the bits that it come with. They're way better than the Kiss one that I have, so I'm looking forward to using these. It's not much to say here. I already put it up on the screen. So this is the end of the unboxing. I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next videos. Thanks for watching.